Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this superb 2008 SUV with GT line specification. So this is a one-owner vehicle that's done less than 1,500 miles. It's got this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. There's rear parking sensors with a colour reverser camera. Now inside the car, it's half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with a speed limiter. This car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.